Sang Khya L'peou, also known as Cambodian pumpkin custard, is a delightful dessert that holds a special place in the hearts of Cambodians. Its preparation dates back generations, passed down through families as a cherished recipe that embodies the rich culinary heritage of the Khmer people. Let's dive into the recipe. Ingredients: 1 small pumpkin, about 2 pounds, 1 cup coconut milk, 2 cup palm sugar or brown sugar, 4 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 pandan leaf, optional, for flavor. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C. Grease a baking dish or individual ramekins with butter or cooking spray. Cut the pumpkin in half and remove the seeds and stringy pulp. Peel the pumpkin and cut it into small cubes. In a saucepan, combine the coconut milk and palm sugar over medium heat. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. If using pandan leaf, tie it into a knot and add it to the coconut milk mixture for additional flavor. Allow the mixture to cool slightly. In a mixing bowl, beat the eggs lightly. Gradually add the coconut milk mixture to the beaten eggs, stirring constantly to prevent curdling. Remove the pandan leaf, if used. Arrange the pumpkin cubes in the prepared baking dish or ramekins. Pour the coconut milk and egg mixture over the pumpkin. Place the baking dish or ramekins in a larger baking pan. Carefully pour hot water into the larger pan, filling it halfway up the sides of the baking dish or ramekins to create a water bath. Bake in the preheated oven for about 40-50 minutes, or until the custard is set and the top is golden brown. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the custard. It should come out clean when done.